welcome back to our channel. So today we are inside in Glasgow already, and we are in Riverside Museum. And here, what can we see here?
There's lots of things. It's got cars, it's got transport, and then there's another bit that's like history, where the streets went.
Okay. In a couple of days, we're going to go to the Fort William. So this is
The viaduct, and it's used in Harry Potter.
So we're gonna go and stop by there and take the picture video here. Welcome on board, everyone. Okay, so this boat is about they separate into like, because Glasgow used to be the
Massive harbour. It used to build ships.
yeah, it used to be like a lot of ships around here. That's why they have like a dock, and this is like tall ship, so they people can come and stuck in different parts of the boat, like deck, galley.